Well, I've just spent 4 days cleaning and fixing things at the new Ski Lodge Akiya, so time for another quick tour. We've really only been working inside. Anything that needs doing outside is going to have to wait. We fixed this Get a Bucko shoebox just with some $1 tiles we bought from Seria. Happened to be about the same colour, so that was easy. Got the obligatory fluffy slippers. So, starting here. I've decided to use this room as a dining room. Just got a couple of folding chairs to add to the ones that came with the place. We found this plate on top of the fridge. Not too bad. So in the kitchen, as you may have seen in the work video, changed the whole floor with new vinyl planks. Cleaned up these things, added some necessary plates and things, cleaned up the fridge, and did our best to clean the kitchen cupboards. Only thing we couldn't really fix was the handles on the cupboards because they're not removable. But everything else is pretty functional now. Got a microwave. This is the new hot water heater, which is going to be fitted while I'm away. In the laundry, we've put in a washing machine and a new vanity. Can't remember what they call those here. It's got one of those sort of things and does that. It's very handy. This tap started leaking immediately when we used it, so I had to change that too. I haven't changed anything in the bathroom yet, apart from adding some soap. In this room, we've done a bit of a swap with the coffee tables, so the round one has come in here. Put our TV over here and DVD player. And we're keeping this room as a more of your typical Japanese lounge. We've got 4 of these floor seats. We've been making use of this heater already. Pumps out lots of heat, it's really good. But we've yet to do anything about the paper. The shoji paper. On the doors still torn, and the sliding door panels are torn as well. They're going to have to wait for my next trip. Upstairs I've fitted another new vanity because the drain was broken on the old one, so I couldn't keep it. It's the same one as downstairs. They're only about 34,000 yen. So if you can fit them yourself, that's a pretty cheap upgrade. In here we've just added a bed. And using another bit of furniture we found downstairs as a bedside table. Added a heater. That's it so far. In the western room we've added new curtains. Another semi-double bed. And again, everything else is going to have to wait. Another heater. If someone wants to use this room as a bedroom, we've got a futon in there. And a final bedroom. Another heater. We've kept the desk and chair. Added a bed and some fresh curtains, which do improve things quite a bit. So in the 2 weeks since I was here last, it has started to snow on the mountains here in Niigata, which gives us a fairly striking view. So that's it for my little update. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.